Hi, I am Emma from JAWA Software. I am happy to introduce to you a brief description of JAWA Software ERP. JAWA Software ERP has received several awards, including the IBM Store Proven Award and the IBM Ready for Retail Innovations Award. JAWA Software ERP was built from day one using the Oracle database and has the following subsystems: financial accounting, sales and distribution, which includes procurement, loyalty, promotion management, wholesale and POS and e-commerce integration. The system also has manufacturing extensions and an extensive number of analysis and reports, HRMS, financial KPIs, sales and procurement KPIs, POS and e-commerce. The system has integration with WooCommerce, or you can opt to use our e-commerce module. The system supports a number of vertical market segments, including construction management, discrete and process manufacturing, retail and wholesale, expiry date management and batch management. The construction management integrates cost codes, MCSR, which is the project monthly cost status review, and has a project forecast review, project bill of material and project budgeted quantities and expended quantities or services, including the value of each material and the quantity, project budgeting and budget amendments. You can also track internal or external project amendments, project guarantees, project subcontractors, payment certificates. You can attach AutoCAD files to the project assignment screen, or attach any picture or file, and much, much more. The financial accounting has the following modules: general ledger, accounts receivable, accounts payable, banking, budgeting, fixed assets, check writing, post-dated checks, a powerful project costing and project budgeting, bad debt management and its provisions, foreign currency evaluation, receivable and payable aging, analysis codes, account distribution, and a web-based financial KPIs. You can attach documents to any part of the system, like take a copy of the check and attach it to the payment voucher, or scan the customer or supplier company registration and attach it to his accounts receivable file. These attachments can be in image, Excel, Word, PDF, AutoCAD, or any other file format. You do not need to close the fiscal year to open a new one and enter and post data on both years. You can keep up to 30 years of data online. No need to archive old data. Get your profit and loss 20 years ago and compare it to the current year in a split of a second. The financial system is integrated with Microsoft Word, allowing you to generate letters to your customers or suppliers, and has a built-in mail module and much, much more. The integration of JAWA Software Financials with the KPI module allows you to see all the financial KPIs on several devices, including iPads, PCs, or your mobile phone. Check your profitability, including your fixed cost, variable cost, your break-even point and its value, and your profit. When you move the mouse, the system will project these values immediately on the screen. You can easily check your top 10 revenue accounts and your top 10 expense accounts. The cash flow option shows cash in showing in green color and cash out in red color. Click on the free cash flow to show you the trend of the values in the past 12 months in one simple chart. You can do the same thing with net cash value. Check the growth of any financial element. Graph your revenue trend or any other financial element with a simple click, and show the target and the rolling average. Check growth or other critical elements and measure the stress, efficiency, and other indicators. Graph your revenue over the past years or the past 12 months and overlay the target and the rolling average. The system has a what-if capabilities. For example, you can quickly find out what you need to do to increase your profit ratio from 20% to 25%. There is no need to generate printed reports anymore, since everything is available online in a simple click of a button. You can generate different calculated ratios and much, much more. You can use the KPI module to forecast financial information based on a number of key elements which you can set. Get your financial data and share this with selected members of your company via email. Management can get all the financial data online, or on their mobile phones, or by periodic emails automatically generated by the system, having the monthly financial reports or any financial data you choose to share with them. You can set these reports once using the report generator and send it to their email in PDF format. Check your P&L in summary or detail, balance sheet and trial balance, and collaborate with other members of your company online. The system has a built-in forecasting module allowing you to view future financials based on the current trend or a set criteria. With the KPI Explorer, you can immediately check issues that are on track and issues that requires your attention using the KPI Explorer. You can set alert values and the system will show any element below the set value. This makes you immediately focus on problem issues and saves you time by checking several reports. Thank you. My colleague Anna will now list the features of the S&D system, part of JAWA Software ERP.
Hello, I am Anna from JAWA Software. JAWA Software ERP has a powerful sales and distribution system. This system integrates data from a number of other JAWA systems, including the wholesale client-server point of sale, web point of sale, e-commerce, WooCommerce, and has the following modules: procurement, loyalty, and customer analysis, promotion module, wholesale, supplier analysis, integrated KPI, recipe costing, and manufacturing. You can select analysis based on its type, like run POS sales analysis by year, month, day, location, or during a specific event like the back-to-school season. You can choose to get your analysis for the wholesale, web sales, store sales, running the POS and the web sales, or all together in a simple click. Zoom your analysis by year, month, day, location, or sale type, and as you know by now, the system runs on the Oracle database. You can check your sales and profit by supplier, including monthly sales, monthly cost of sales, and the monthly profit you got from that supplier. You can do the same for customers. Double-click on the supplier line to zoom to the selected supplier, and now you can check the supplier items, sales from each item in retail and wholesale. Click on the PO History tab to list all the purchase orders created for that supplier. Zoom on each purchase order to list the items ordered and find out who created the PO, and do the same for the invoices you got from that supplier. Track you leading suppliers or customer or your best 10 selling items, for example, your best selling location, yearly, monthly, and daily sales, and zoom directly to the sales invoice. As we said before, this could be a sales made on the POS and a sales made using the wholesale module or web sales transactions. You can create events in the system like Ramadan season or back-to-school season and track sales during these events and compare it with previous years. You can mark on the calendar holidays and track sales during these events by category down to its subcategory and finally to the item.
Just to recap, JAWA Software ERP is Oracle-based and has an integrated financial and sales KPIs. With many modules for retail, project costing, manufacturing, wholesale, point of sale, and web sales. JAWA Software ERP is a true multi-dimension system. You can attach files and documents to almost every transaction screen in the system. The financial system can be set up for one company or a holding company with many sub-companies and subsidiaries. Thank you for taking the time to see this brief description of JAWA Software, and we look forward to be of service to you and your organization.